Hi everyone, this is Erin here at Mended Hearts Quilting and Boutique in Ellsworth, Iowa. And today I'm going to show you how to use the Overedge Foot M for your machine. Today we're using Janome 9450. So if you're whatever machine you're using, check your settings in your manual first. And this foot will give you the finished look of a serger without having a serger. So what it does is it sews between the little finger guides and then one stitch off to create a flat finished edge. So you just line your fabric up with your border guide and then so this machine has an overedge button, so I've just chosen overedge and we're just going to do the basic woven overedge stitch. So then you just hit start. And I do have the machine at full speed. With this stitch I would do that comfortably because you're just finishing the edge. When you're done, it's important to pull your threads out through the back and side, and then you can use your scissors or your side thread cutter to cut. And there you have your flat, finished, serger looking edge. So, if you have any questions about this foot or any of the other feet we've been showing, just leave a message or a comment. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook and Instagram, and follow us on social media.